Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And I apologize for the audio if it's extremely echoey. I'm in a new place that doesn't have a lot of stuff in it at the moment. More on that coming soon. But today I had something special for you guys. We're going to take a look at a 2022 Ferrari SF Stradale. I think I said that right. All right, guys, this is a little different and extremely rare. This is a 2022 Ferrari SF 90 Stradale. And yeah, she smashed. She definitely got hit. Basically, all of these panels. Let's take a look at this one. I mean, look at the damage all the way down the side. Like, that's that whole panel done, right? The door, I'm not too sure about. The front, yep. The front end, yep. Tail light there, busted. It's definitely rough. And then even on the other side, look at the other side. It looks like it got hit on both rear quarters. Oof. It almost looks like every single panel on this car is damaged. I don't know, someone could probably make a cool exoskeleton car or something out of it. I just don't. Oof. And it's a hybrid. Damn. I mean, you could buy it just to say you own the Ferrari. But I don't know, man. This one right here, it might be too far gone. It might be. And I had so many of you guys send this to me via Instagram, via DMs. I said, okay, let me go ahead and cut a video on this because you guys asked about it. This would be something that is outside of my wheelhouse. It's not something I would do. But look at this. The cash value of the car is over $1 million, right? Estimated repair cost, $999,000. Like, basically, it's a wrap. The good thing about this, though, is if you wanted to get it, if there were any good parts or whatever on it, I don't see this car going. I really don't see this car going for much more than $100,000. Like, I just don't. I don't see it going for much more than $100,000. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I just don't see it. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I think it's crazy. Let me know what you guys think down there in the comment sections down below. What do you guys think about the SF90 Stradale and being $1 million car? What do you think it's going to sell for? I don't think it's going to go as crazy as like the Bugatti and some other cars that we've seen through some other auctions have gone. But very interesting. Do you agree with my assessment that I think it's going to go for less than $100,000? I think it is, but I could be wrong. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Wanted to get this out for you guys as kind of like a bonus video today. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Perfect.